Hello students, how are you today? Yes, I hope you all are good. Today we will learn about the topic numbers part 3 for grade 4. Now we are going to the lesson. Okay, grade 4 subject mathematics lesson 2 topic numbers and part 3. K forming the smallest and greatest numbers using given digits. Let us learn how to form the smallest and greatest 4-digit numbers using the given digits with them. Okay, I give an example sum. We are making in a greatest number and the smallest number. Okay, greatest number. To form the biggest 4-digit number, arrange the given digits in decreasing order is called a greatest number. Then next, smallest number. To form the smallest 4-digit number, arrange the given digits in increasing order is called a smallest number. Okay, the first sum digits of 1, 4, 3 and 7. Which is the biggest number? Yes, 7 is the biggest number. So, we will write in a 7. Then, we are finding in a which is the greatest number for without 7. So, we are looking at in 1, 4, 3. Which is the greatest number? Yes, 4 is the greatest number. So, we will write in a 4. Then, remaining numbers of 1 and 3. Which is the greatest number? Yes, 3 is the greatest number. Then, remaining number 1. Okay, 7431 is the greatest number. Can be formed by the number of 1, 4, 3 and 7. Next, we will find in a smallest number. Okay, which is the smallest number of these digits? 1, 4, 3 and 7. Yes, 1 is the smallest number. So, we will write in a 1. Next, we will finding in a second smallest number of 4, 3 and 7. Yes, 3 is the second smallest number. So, we will write in a 3. Then, we are finding in a 4 and 7. Which is the smallest number? Yes, 4. And the final number is a 7. So, we will write in a smallest number of 1347 can be formed by the digits of 1, 4, 3 and 7. Okay. Then second sum 5, 0, 9 and 3. We will finding in a greatest number and the smallest number. Which is the greatest number of digits? 5, 0, 9 and 3. Yes, 9 is the greatest number. So, we will write in a 9. Then next, we are finding in a second greatest number without 9. The digits of 5, 0 and 3. Yes, 5 is the second greatest number. So, we will write in a 5. Next, we are look at in 0 and 3. The greatest number of 3, final number is 0. So, 9530 is the greatest number can be formed by the digits of 5, 0, 9 and 3. Next we will finding in a smallest number of digits 5, 0, 9 and 3. Yes, we are know 0 is the smallest number, but don't take and add 0 in a first place, because if we set in 0 to the first digit, it will get in a lower digit of number. We need in a 4 digits number. So always mention 0 in a second place. Always 0 in mention in second place. So which is the smallest number of 5, 9 and 3? Yes. 3 is the first smallest number, and already we know in a 0 is second smallest number. Then next we will finding in a smallest number of 5 and 9. Yes, 5 is the third smallest number, and the final number of 9 is the last smallest number. Okay, 3059 is can be formed by the digits of 5, 0, 9 and 3. We'll move to the next slide. Addition. The numbers to be added together are called addition. We are counting two or more numbers or things, that is called addition. Another name of the addition, add, sum, plus, increase and total. It's denoted by the addition sign is plus. This one is the addition sign. We'll move to the next slide. Okay. Addition of 4-digit numbers without regrouping. That means without using this method of carrying the numbers is called without regrouping. Okay. Now we'll learn how to add in a 4-digit number. I give one example sum for addition in without regrouping. Okay. Add 3045 plus 1424. First, we are arranging these numbers according to the place values. So, both number of 4 digits value. So, 3000, 000, 4 tens and 5 ones. Then next number 1400, 2 tens and 4 ones. The first two part is called in addend. We are finding in a answer place is sum for the addition. Okay. First we are finding in answer of ones column 5 plus 4. Answer is 9. Then we are finding in a tens column 4 plus 2. Get it, answer is 6. Next we are finding in a hundreds column 0 plus 4. Answer is 4. Next we are finding in a thousand column 3 plus 1. Answer is 4. So the added numbers of 3045 and 1424 is the total answer of 4469. We'll move to the next slide. Okay. Addition of 4-digit numbers with regrouping. The sum of two digits in the place values column is greater than 9 is called a with regrouping. Okay, I give an example sum for the with regrouping. Find the sum of 1057 and 4697. First we will arranging these numbers according to their place values. So 1000, 000, 5 tens and 7 ones. Then next number 4600, 9 tens and 7 ones. The first two parts of addition sum is added and we are finding in a total answer is a sum part. Okay, first we will add in a ones column. 7 plus 7. Answer is 14. So, ones place we are write it in a 4. Carry of 1 in a tens place. Then we are finding in a tens place column of 1 plus 5 plus 9. Answer is 15. 1, 5, 15. So, we will write in a 5 in a answer of tens place. Then carry of 1 in a hundreds place. Next we will adding in a 100 place column 1 plus 0 plus and 6. We'll get it answer is 7. So we will write in a 7 in a 100 place answer part. Next we will add in a 1000 column 1 plus 4. Answer is 5. So 1057 plus 4697, the addition answer of 5757. Okay, we'll move to the next slide. Okay, subtraction. The difference between two numbers or quantities is called a subtraction. The related words for subtraction: difference, minus, less, decreased and take away. It's denoted by a minus sign. This one is a minus sign. Okay, let's go to the next slide. Subtraction without regrouping. We no need for borrow. It's called a without regrouping. Okay, I give an example sum for without regrouping. Find the difference between 9865 and 2034. We will arrange the numbers according to their place values. Okay, 9865. 9 is a 1000 place, 8 is a 100 place value, then 6 is a tens place, then 5 is a ones place. The first number is a minuend part. The first part is a minuend part. Then second part number is 2000, 000, 3 tens and 4 ones. The second part name is subtrahend. We are finding in the two numbers difference between finding answer also the subtraction. So first we are finding in a subtraction for ones column 5 minus 4, answer is 1. Next we will finding in a tens column 6 minus 3, answer is 3. Next we will finding in a hundreds column 8 minus 0. Answer is 8. Then next we will finding in a thousand place column of subtraction 9 minus 2. Answer is 7. So the subtrahend part of 2034 is subtracted from minuend part of 9865. Get it, answer is 7831. We'll move to the next slide. Subtraction with regrouping. We need for borrow sum is called a regrouping. Okay, I give an example sum. Find the difference between 5657 and 3785. First we will arranging the numbers according to their place values. Okay, 5600, 5 tens and 7 ones. The first part is the minuend part. Then arranging the second number part of subtrahend part. So 3700, 8 ones, 8 tens and 5 ones is a subtrahend part. Okay, first we are subtracted in ones column of number 7 and 5. 5 is subtracted from 7. So we are finding answer is 2. Then next we are subtracted in a tens column. Okay, number of 5 and 8. 8 is greater than 5. So we will borrow off 100 from the 600. So 100 plus 5 tens is equal to 15 tens. So subtracted 8 from the 15, answer is 7 of a tens place answer. Next we will subtract it in a hundreds place column. 100 borrow from 600. So we left in 500. Then is a 7. 7 is greater than 5. So borrow 1000 from 5000. So 1000 plus 500 is equal to 1500. So 7 is subtracted from 15. Answer is 8. Next we will subtract it in a 1000 place value. 5 thousands borrow in a 1000. So left answer is 4000. So 3 is subtracted from 4. Will answer is 1. So 3785 is subtracted from 5657. Answer is 1872. Okay, we'll move to the next slide. Okay students, I hope you have clearly understood this video related to this lesson. You like this video, subscribe our Vishwavidyalaya YouTube channel. Next, I will meet for new lesson video. Say thank you.